like you, kid. One pathetic feather was all I ooh. I had nothing show-offish. What's a playboy to do? And there's certainly nothing show-offish on you.
Thank you, Daisy.
Then I made a plan for myself improvement. No more crumbs, I vowed I would have the cake. Yes, I went to the doctor.
Dr. Dave by the lake.
And he told me what sort of a pill I should take. Now amazing, amazing, as feathered as feathered, eating out. Amazing, amazing, it was all for sale. Amazing, amazing, the birds are almost in the afternoon. Amazing, amazing, maybe that's my tip.
She is fabulous.
Watch her go.
She is envious. I wish I had one like it. Left and right. Best I've ever seen.
Can't you? You're turning green. Give those pills, and you can have the risk. More time is certain to see, and you can be amazing. Well, almost as amazing as me.